we're currently going. We have behind us, I don't know if you are going to be able to see, out the window, we have Jace Kirby, Brady Hendricks behind us. So now we're going to be going and lighting people up. Oh yeah. No, they've already heard it. True. No, in case you didn't hear, they did say we are videotaping. They're not wrong. Precious. Ready? Yeah. Right here. Alright, I got you. Some people at this patio over here. Oh my gosh, you can see me. So yeah, we're gonna go by them and we are going to light them up with the horn. That was kind of weird for me to be filming. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the grand finale of today? Which side? Left?
No, right here. Go to the left.
Oh, I got you. Got him. Damn.
I thought that was his person. Oh my gosh, those boys. Oh, they're so great. Oh shit.
I got that. Oh my god.
They're definitely gonna do this to the girls.